What's up guys? This is DJ James and I'm back with another video. So, una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga nag-subscribe ngayong whole week. Nag-view ng lahat ng videos ko this week. Thank you so much. Sa nag-like, nag-comment sa Facebook ko. Thank you so much. Kaninang mga 8 PM, nag-update ako ng status sa Facebook ko. Yung nilagay ko is, did the heartbreak change us? Tubag. So, konti lang yung nag-comment. Some of them, no, not just some, but all of them say yes. Pero ako, opinion ko lang to Did the heartbreak really change us? Sagot ko, no. Why? So, it's just my opinion You don't change. You just learn. If nagbago ka, ba't paulit-ulit ka pa rin nasasaktan sa parehong kamalian? Para sa akin, natuto ka lang. Yes. Natuto ka lang. Kasi kung nagbago ka, ba't palagi mo pa rin nakakalimutan na ilang beses ka na palang nasaktan, pero nagawa mo pa rin magtanga-tangahan. Change ba talaga? Natuto ka lang. Yung parang alam mo na kung ano nang gagawin mo kung mangyayari man yun sa'yo ulit. Yung sasabihin mo, ayaw mo na, nadala na ako, ayoko na, last na to, ayoko nung umiyak, pero masasaktan ka ulit. Heartbreak doesn't change us. Heartbreak just taught us. Heartbreak taught us to be strong, to value time, to appreciate little things. Taught us the importance of boundaries and privacy. Heartbreak did not change you. Heartbreak just taught you. Isa pa, you don't need to change. If that person really love you, you don't need to change. Hindi mo kailangang magbago para mahalin ka ng isang tao. Dahil kung mahal ka, he will accept you all your flaws, your attitude. He will accept you who you really are. Mamahalin ka niya at tatanggapin ka niya mo. Yun. Heartbreak doesn't change us or did not change us. It's heartbreak just taught us. Yun lang. I hope naiintindihan nyo. Pasensya na kung ganito yung boses ko. Medyo paus. See you next video guys. Bye!